Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are wondering how you guys can make a TikTok account on your Android phone, then you guys are at the right video. Because this is my Android phone. Because if you don't believe it, I'm going back over here. As you guys can see, this is what Android looks like. If you guys have used iOS, then this is not what iOS, or iPhone's interface looks like, alright? So I'm on my TikTok on my Android right now, and I'm going to be teaching you how you guys can make an account. But before that, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, ask me in the comment, I'll answer you guys. And let's get right into the video, shall we? So to create a TikTok account on your phone or Android, then basically you want to open TikTok on your Android. After opening TikTok, you want to go on where it says me. Click on me. Once you're on me, it's going to show you this thing and you want to click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, it's going to give you all this option. If you already have an account, there's a login button. Click on login. But if you don't, then you want to sign up with these options. You have Twitter, Google, Facebook, or phone or email. You can create a TikTok account by linking it with your Facebook or linking it with your Google account or Twitter account. These three are the easiest one. You can just click on it and enter your email and basically done. But if you guys want to, create a separate TikTok account using your phone number or email, you can click on it. And you want to enter your date of birth. So let me enter mine. Click on next after entering your date of birth. And you want to enter your phone number if you have a phone number. But if you want to use your email, you can just go and email over here and enter your email. Click on next after entering your email. And you want to, verify you're a human by completing this little task given to you. I failed. I'm going to do it again. Wait for some time. Just like this, it's like a puzzle. You just confirm it. Got done. Now TikTok is gonna ask you to enter a password, so enter a password for your account. And it's gonna ask you to enter a username for your account. Like, it's gonna give you this random username. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. But I like this username, so I'm gonna click on sign up. Wait for some time now. Now, as you guys can see, after entering that username, your account will be created just like this. And I can go on home and I can do all the stuff like follow and like someone's content and even comment on them if I want to. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.